I do think about ways about how I want to do my research, because I have to do an 8-month paper, and an 8-month paper is about, it should be anywhere between 20 pages and 30 pages, right? And in this research paper, you write what you're going to study, which books inform your study, like, so what you're reading. And so that's why I actually brought these books with me, because actually what I do every day is read a lot. Read, look at videos, listen to podcasts, and try to figure out how I'm going to get this 8-month paper done. It's actually due next Tuesday, right? So, okay, so again, a question for you guys. What is my core focus? There you go, community engagement and citizen participation, right? And so I'm going to do an exercise right now with you guys. So I want you guys to think of yourself, and I separate you as a small community, right? And I want you to think of, I would want for you guys to think about an issue that you would want to talk to OLS about, right? That you want to come in conversation with OLS about. Or it can also be for the kingdom government, right? And of course the kingdom government may be a little bit further removed from you, but think about something that impacts you on a day-to-day basis. It could be something about the school, it could be something about your community, it could be something about sports, a hobby you have, anything. You want to think about what that process would look like.